What is this?
It's a wallet.
A wallet?
Yes.
I don't need a wallet.
Yes, you do. Come on, look at your wallet.
How am I supposed to fit all my cards in here?
What do you mean? It fits up to 12 cards.
12?
Yes.
Okay, the cards fit, but where do I put the cash?
Babe, put all your cash right here. Trust me.
On the clip?
Yes. Ooh! Why do...
Your magic tricks are fake. You just use edits and cuts. Dang, man, you got me good. But what about this magic trick with no edits or cuts? Maybe. Hey, real quick, before y'all skip.
Oh my God, wait. He does magic. I saw him on TikTok. Oh my God. I'm gonna die. What the
Detected in backyard camera at 4 o'clock.
This is what you do when you find wax at the skate park. Hey, I had this. Mine was purple. You use it, and then you put it back. Thank you. This is what you do when you find wax at the skate park. Hey, I had this. Mine was purple. You use it, and then you put it back. Thank you. This is what you do when you find wax at the skate park. Hey, I got up and I swung at him, but I missed. Oh, man, you're going to have to do better than that. I swung at him again, and this time I got him.
Oh, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. You like that? You like that? Yeah, but now it's my turn. He tried to punch me, but I blocked it. Now that's a surprise. Well, look, I got a surprise for you, too. Then he lifted up his hands and pulled down his hood. I could not believe who it was. It was my old friend Bernard. Bernard? Bernard? But why? Well, last year, me and Brayton became friends, and he told me everything that was happening to you. So when I found out I was moving back here, Brayton and I came up with this plan to teach you how to stand up for...
This is if Moonlight by X was a Kids Bop song. Step 1, become Timmy.
Me! Hey guys, it's Timmy. Dan, write some lyrics that are kid-friendly. Dan, make the instrumental sound trash. Flashlight, so bright. I see why you should go fly kites. Don't forget vocab means highlight.
Stand up.
Cause girl, you want me, I want you, baby. My sugar boo.
Orange or yellow? Orange.
Mummy has to buy me a...
Orange or yellow? Orange or white?
Mummy has to buy me a PS5.
Tommy, stop cheating. Tommy never gets V-Bucks again. Haha, lucky.
Mummy will never get a new house.
I'm sad. Everyone watching this will like and subscribe. Come on!
Mummy...
Going to the movies with Mom and Dad. You'll ask if we can buy candy, but we won't need any because we stuffed your little brother Tony full of bags from Target. You'll want to stay for a second one, so we'll figure out how to sneak into the projection room. You'll ask if we can stay for a third, but we'll say no. You'll be sad, but not for long, because you'll need all the sleep you can get, because your favorite artist's first concert in over a year is tomorrow.
You gonna work hard? So yes, sir. You gonna be committed? So yes, sir. Then jump down that hole.
I don't know, Captain. I just got these J's. They fresh out the box.
You gonna work hard? So yes, sir. You gonna be committed? So yes, sir. Then jump down that hole.
I don't know, Captain. I just got these J's. They fresh out the box.
Not bringing my wallet to see how my boy reacts. Ha ha.
Wow, oh my god, they're my favourite. Wait, get a few. Really? Yeah, go crazy, just get 4.
Oh, I love Pringles.
Oh, babe, get a few more then.
Really?
Yeah, fill up the basket. Yeah, babe, oh my god, why don't we get cherry?
We're about to hack this game. Exposed. Wait, it worked? $1 actual cheaters, bro.
No, let's not take advantage.
Why?
Because I'm recording. 1 second. Okay, now we can go to 500. We're about to hack this game. Exposed. Wait, it worked? Y'all are actual cheaters, bro. No, let's not.
Let's see what song breaks a glass with full volume.
Into the thick of it. Oh.
Second one.
I need you to stay.
I have very high hopes for this one.
She told me put my heart in the bag, and nobody gets home.
Hey, I like bitch who is your mess, hey. When I see you again, when I see you again, wish I could turn back time.
Hey, catch out bite for you. Hey, catch out bite for you. Hey, catch out bite for you. Catch out bite for you. Did you really think I was gonna buy you all this stuff? Hey, catch out bite for you. Hey, catch out bite.
Oh, hi neighbor. Check it out. I have 2 leads. They're my best friends. You have no friends. Oh, hi neighbor. Check it out. I have 2 leads.
Being sick with mom and dad, you'll think you'll have to puke in the toilet, but we'll let you use the family popcorn bowl. You'll be worried that you'll have work to do, but it's fine because we'll have your baby genius brother Tony do it for you. And when you want to have people over, we'll say no. You'll be lonely, but not for long, because when you get better, we'll throw you a surprise birthday party, even if it's not your birthday. Being sick with mom and dad, you'll think you'll have to puke in the toilet, but we'll let you use the family popcorn bowl. You'll
Can win. Oh, crushing everybody here. Oh my goodness, getting some flips.
It took Leonardo 69 years for him to discover this secret hack.
I'll try to draw this. Here we go. Here's the final.
Don't worry about it. Babs, don't touch it. No.
This is hand sanitizer.
You don't want people to touch that? No, gloves first, please. Hell no. Here you go.
Occasionally you'll miss hits you thought you...
My neighbor still won't stop bragging.
Hey neighbor, check it out. I got this thing that makes my teeth glow. I don't see your teeth glowing.
My neighbor still won't stop bragging.
Sing Barbie Girl on top of the toilet with bongos. What kind of an idiot do you think that...
I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. My Barbies are plastic. It's fantastic. You can...
Sing Barbie Girl on...
Hey ladies, drop it down. Just wanna see you.
What the hell?
Don't shy girl, go bonanza. Shake your body like a belly dance.
Yo, what the hell, bro? What? I was finally able to get it this time.
Hey ladies, drop it down. Just wanna see you.
What the hell?
PUBG and curry with my friends. I live in my car, bro, not really events.
All right, Bree, if you laugh, you lose. No score above 50. Nathan, do your worst, bro.
Giggle.
Oh, you just got the... Oh, you got the 50 already! Come on! You're so bad. We didn't even...
Getting abandoned in the grocery store line with mom and dad. We forgot something, so we leave you in line and say we'll be back in a minute. But then 2 minutes go by and then we're still not back yet. And then the cashier says, cash your card. You begin to panic, but not for long. Because when you look over, we'll be running back and then let you pick out anything from the checkout candy shelf. Getting abandoned in the grocery store.
Yo, what's going on over here? Chill, that's messed up, dude. Hey, yo, everyone be quiet. Why are you doing this?
Oh, just for fun.
Dude, they have feelings. Nothing is going to happen to that villager under...
Getting a pet with mom and dad. You want a pet. Melinda wants a pet, but I don't want a pet. So every time you ask, I avoid the question and offer you money. You'll be sad, but not for long. Because you won't take no for an answer, so you'll steal my phone like every video on #puppies so that my entire Explore page becomes puppies, and eventually I'll give in and surprise the family with a brand new puppy.
Yeah. Yo, Pink Ranger, singing challenge. If I win, I get to have your number. 1, 2, 3. Oh, you got brothers. Look, man, I was just playing y'all. Oh! Yeah. Yo, Pink Ranger.
Who's your crush?
That girl.
That one?
Yes, sir.
You have only one shot.
Okay.
Good luck, bro.
Thank you.
Oh, Mama!
Oh my god, wrong person.
Yeah.
Who's your crush?
I'm sorry, don't leave me. I want you here with me. I know that your love is gone.
Minecraft butt. Ah! Ooh, that was close. What the? Nameless? Aodin? What are you doing here? Here, take these. Now you can escape. Okay, well, see you later, I guess. Those two are always getting into trouble. Oh, yeah, finally. Diamonds. Oh, what the? Oh, no, are you guys here to get me? Well, let's talk about this. Huh? You guys came back to save me. Wait, why are you dancing? Not this again. No! Minecraft butt.
Zonk. Dude, I left my wallet at home and I really want a pizza. Can you go get it?
No!
I'll let you get one for yourself too.
Ooh, okay.
Ugh. Time to go buy the pizza.
Nick, the pizza's here. Ooh.
Oh, my favorite.
Wait, this is not yours?
What do you mean?
This is yours.
Song!
What day is your birthday on?
March 1st.
Okay. So what day is your birthday?
Oh, hey buddy. Oh. Oh, hey buddy. Oh.
Helicopter, helicopter. Helicopter, helicopter.
And that's the moment I realized to not wash your cotton candy. Today I went to the store and bought some cotton candy.
Yeah. Yo, bro, singing challenge. If you win, you get to have this $10,000. But if I win, I get to have your Oculus.
But I just got this.
You know, you're petty. I don't get why you're so jealous. Your turn.
You know.
Oh, you lost, man. Give me the Oculus, man. Come on, give me the Oculus. Wait, what the heck? There's two of you? Yeah. Yo, bro.
Okay, boss. I arrived at the location.
Okay, the one in the black sweater. Don't shoot him, because he's on our side.
That's what I thought.
But for the one in the white, shoot him. In the foot.
Oh!
Hey, boss.
Steve, you've got to help me. I'm stuck.
magic trick.
Please don't.
What? Read the magic trick. Watch 1, 2. Oh, look.
I love you.
Keep in mind that portals can vary anywhere from the standard form.
We go back. This is the.
Tom, what are you doing? Don't be mad. I bet you $100 that I can clean this mess without this towel. All right. Okay. There's no way you can do it. Hold this. Okay. Yeah. Tom, what?
Flipmaster, the
Everybody get up, it's time to slam now. We got a real jam going down. Welcome to the space jam. Here's your
Time to scare him.
your dance.
Oh shit! Nas! Oh my god, I hit the iPad, bro. I hit your iPad. That's right, bro.
Ooh, that looks good. Can I have a sip?
Yeah, just one sip.
Ooh, yummy. Can I have a sip?
Yeah, just one sip.
Okay.
Ooh, that looks good. Can I have a sip? Yeah, just one sip.
Alright, stand back.
Ooh, that looks good. Can I have a sip?
Yeah, just one sip.
I wanna be a slave, I wanna be a master. I wanna make your heartbeat run like roller coasters.
Yeah. Yo, Topper, singing challenge. If I win, I get to have that briefcase of money. But if you win, I start saying yeah for the rest of my life.
All right, bro.
1, 2, 3, murder scene. Your turn.
1, 2, 3, murder.
Ah, you lost, man. Come on, show me the money. Show me the. God dang, how much money is that?
Beetlejuice.
Yes.
Beetlejuice.
Yes. Wow, this is gonna be so good.
Because you're so smart, a stand-up bro. I'll think about your offer, let you know.
Alright, Sango, read the paper.
Drink 1 cup for $100. Oh, okay. Done. Where's my $100?
Here you go.
All right. Yes. And another.
Now flip the paper, Sango.
Okay. Drink 2 cups and Sango will give you $200.
Sango, where's my money?
Sango. Oh,
Alright, Sango, read the paper.
drink 1 cup for $100. Oh, okay.
Sean, you want something from the store?
What's up, bro? You good, bro?
Can I have that?
Dude, you can just get one from the fridge.
that one.
Dude, just get one from
I
the
give
fridge.
you $10,000 for
You
it.
can literally just get one from the...
I'll give you my card.
I have so...
Sean, you want something?
Cake or fake with my mom, part 1.
Well, that's...
Ooh, that's real, that's real.
Well, yeah, that's cake.
That's cake, that's cake, that's cake.
Maybe.
Ooh, it was real, it was real. That's fake.
What do you mean that's cake? That's a vegetable.
That's cake, that's cake.
That's definitely...
Oh, that's real, what? That's cake, that's cake. That's cake! Cake or fake?
Huh.
Hello?
Since a lot of people think our iPhone trick shots scratch the back of our phones, we decided to make one where that can't happen. The best part is that the phone comes back to me so I don't even have to move. Now you're probably wondering whether...
What do you want from McDonald's? I think I'll take a McChicken. That sounds good. Here's your food, sweetie. Thanks, Mom. Those McNuggets look really good. Mom, I don't really want this sandwich anymore. Well, why didn't you get a McChicken then? Those nuggies look pretty good, though. Do you want my nuggets and I'll take your McChicken? Yes! Here.
This doesn't make sense.
How about we be nice to each other today? I got you a toy.
Okay.
If you can make me cry, I will give you 100 Robux.
This story is called Sad Kid. This kid is new to Roblox. And he wanted some Robuxes. So he asked his dad to give him some. But his dad did not have the money. Then the boy went in a game called Don't Get Free Money. Then the game asked for his username and password, so he gave it to them. Then he lost his account.
What happened? If you can make me cry, I will give you 100 Robux.
Hey, Dad, smell my finger.
No! That's disgusting. Go wash your hands. No more smelly fingers.
What's up, guys?
What? Bro, something... I don't think we did it right.
I sit by myself, talking to the...
Yes or no?
Yes!
Oh man, my house looks so good, but I need one more block. Man, look how good this is.